Happy Tuesday, everyone. Out with Tarpunch. Hi, Tarpunch. You say hi? You're gonna go this way, Pumpkin. It is a nice sunny day. It's cold, it was freezing down to 25, 30 Fahrenheit this morning. But it's nice and sunny now. So we are enjoying a little walk with the old gal. She cannot walk too much anymore, but we can do just about half a mile. So we are just walking close to the street. Come on, Tarpunch. Doing a little forest walk. It feels really good to be out. The air is really crisp and nice. And yeah, Tarpunch is very upset if she cannot go with the other two dogs. But they are young 2-year-olds and they walk 2 to 3 miles. But she cannot walk that much anymore. So I take her separately for just a short little walk. Right, Punch? And if we try to go for a longer walk, then she'll start to drag her feet. She's almost 14, so she can only walk last, but she enjoys getting out. So I try to get her out as much as I can. And it's good for me too. I mean, the forest here is absolutely beautiful. And I just love getting out and spending some time in nature. Trees are magical, and I love when the sun just kind of shines through the trees. You can see the treetops over there, so beautiful, bright in the sunlight. So even though it's cold, you cannot see the breath anymore. You could this morning, but it is kind of nice just to get out to a little forest walk and catch the sun when we can in the winter months. How are you doing, Tarpunch? We are walking pretty slow, and she has to smell over the bush and grass. That's okay. You're in no hurry anywhere, right, Tarpunch? There's some taller grass here that she really likes. Must have something in it that's good for her. I would think, otherwise she wouldn't eat it. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Take a picture of that with the sun. Okay, so normally we go farther down, but she just decided to turn around, so we are going to just turn around, I guess. Sometimes I just let her wander around the property too, but a few days ago she got stuck on a hillside because the hills are kind of steep here. You can't really see it, but between the houses there's some steeper hills, and one of these kind of in the middle, she was a little bit stuck. So we're not gonna do the letting Tarpunch go again for a while because she hasn't done that before. But I don't want her to get stuck and unable to come up on a hill. I also got new shoes today, so I'm trying them out. Look, they're pretty cool. I'm excited for my new shoes. So, walking Tarpunch with new shoes. Tarpunch, good girl. Love the road too, with the